Alright guys, I got a job for you to do. I need you to go push these boxes over there. Whoa, wait, before we do this, I must ask you one thing for me, okay? Fridgeman, please stop. Your stomach growls are embarrassing me. Don't worry about it, buddy.